You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to transfer your contacts from an Android phone to a new iPhone. The easiest method is using the Move to iOS app during initial iPhone setup. On your Android phone, download the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store. Start setting up your new iPhone until you reach the apps and data screen. Select Move Data from Android. On your Android, open the Move to iOS app, tap Continue and agree to the terms. On your iPhone, tap Continue and wait for a code to appear. Enter this code on your Android phone. Select contacts and any other data you want to transfer. Tap Next and wait for the transfer to complete. After the process finishes, continue setting up your iPhone. Your contacts will appear in the phone app. If you've already set up your iPhone, you can sync contacts via Google. On your Android, ensure contacts are saved to your Google account. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Mail, then Accounts, and add your Google account. Toggle contacts on. They will sync automatically. For more simple transfer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.